YouTube. So I've been working on a CNC gantry for laser stuff. You've seen some of my shorts in the last 2 or 3 months. The troop that the kids are with, Trail Life, they picked up a laser engraver for doing plaques and stuff and awards. And I was like, well shoot, why can't I just laser images onto the side of the car? So that's what I've been doing. So now I have, let me flip this around. So now I have this guy. These are 800 millimeter long V-channel style extruded aluminum I picked up on eBay. It was like 10 pieces for 80 bucks. And then these stepper motors came off of an old 3D printer. And I was able to design up and 3D printed brackets to hold bearings and to run this 3/8 all thread through with a nut. And then I found also on eBay these aluminum widgets with the wheels, and I was able to do that on either side. And then I stole the wheels and designed and send the bracket for the X-axis here, which just uses a 6mm wide GT2 belt. And then also off of eBay have a $40 CNC controller. It'll do 2 Y-axes, 1 X, a Z, and something else, like an A or something like that. And it just uses G-code. And there is a free laser Gerbil, GRBL, that you can use to send the G-code. So you load your image, and then you're able to send your G-code out through the USB cable. And then the controller interprets the G-code and drives the gantry to where you want it. So we'll dig into that a little bit more here in a minute. Alright, so I'm just going to do a test print on this piece of wood here. This is about a 580 by 580 millimeter. When it's all done, it'll be a big circle with an image in the middle of it. Seems to be working well. We'll see how this turns out here in a little bit. Alright, so this test print, about an hour and 45 minutes. It's doing pretty good. Still got about 20 minutes left till start rocking across the top. Gives you an idea of how big it can be. The circle is going to be a 23 by 23 inch. The old setup would only do about a 16 by 16, but this could in theory do like a 26 by 26. So we'll let this run out and see how it turns out. Alright, so it's nearing the end. So let's go over real quick. So, $40 from eBay. Power supply is just an old HP laptop. I stripped the wiring off the end and did some fancy stuff to get it all plugged into here. And this is pretty much it. So this is almost a 2 foot by 2 foot print. It can do like 26 inch by 26. So we'll hang out here for another little bit. Let's zoom in. Phone doesn't like the blue light. So ultimately, this whole rig will get stood up vertically and magneted to the side of a car, and could essentially run the same thing but on a door or a fender of a car. So let's see here. Yeah, we're almost done. Yep, now it's just going to go straight across, back and forth. Almost done. Couple more passes. There we go. Some little stray pieces, and it's done. Sweet. Alrighty. That's pretty cool. Grab the cabling. It's not really going to park itself. I don't have any parking switches yet, but it'll stop just short, about 2 inches off the edge and 2 inches up off the bottom. Meathead Performance. Let's go.